So we will start with the chapter, and our topic of the chapter is Introduction to Windows 7. Okay, what we are going to learn in this chapter is about the desktop and its part, changing the desktop background, screensaver, how we will change the screensaver, hiding desktop icons, quick launch icons, desktop gadgets we are going to learn. Okay, before starting the explanation of the chapter, I want that everybody should look one animation. Okay, so on the screen you can see one animation will come. You need to see one animation. Right now I'm going to share the screen. Okay, you can see the screen, right? Understood? You can see the screen here.
Introduction to Windows 7. Lofty goal. In this lesson, you will learn about the operating system Windows 7. Hey Mighty, when I start my computer, it shows downloading Windows. What does it mean? Windows is an operating system. It helps to start your computer. Let's see how to work with Windows. To manage hardware and software, we need an operating system. Operating system is a software that helps you to operate the computer system through its various functions. It controls and manages different parts of a computer system. It acts as an interface between the computer parts and the user. There are different operating systems. Some of the popular operating systems are Microsoft Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS. Inventor. Microsoft Corporation was founded by two people, Paul Allen and Bill Gates. Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular operating systems. It is a series of programming systems and environments developed by Microsoft Corporation. HOTS. When MS Windows loads, which picture appears on the screen? Some more. Windows 8, the latest version of Windows. Common features of Microsoft Windows. GUI. Short for Graphical User Interface. A GUI operating system contains graphics and icons and is commonly navigated by using a computer mouse. Multi-user. A multi-user operating system allows for multiple users to use the same computer at the same time. Multiprocessing. An operating system capable of supporting and utilizing more than one computer processor. Multitasking. An operating system that is capable of allowing multiple software processors to run at the same time. Windows Desktop. When your computer starts for the first time, a beautiful background appears with many things. It is called the desktop. It will look something like this. Taskbar. The taskbar is the thin strip that runs across the bottom of your screen. It is split into a number of different areas. A round start button, quick launch icons, running programs, a notification area, and a clock. The new features of taskbar. Jump lists. With jump lists, you can jump to the documents, pictures, songs, and websites you use most often simply by right-clicking a program button on the taskbar. Pinning. In Windows 7, you can pin favorite programs anywhere on the taskbar for easy access. Live taskbar previews. In Windows 7, you can see a thumbnail view by pointing to a taskbar button of opened windows. Move your mouse over a thumbnail to preview the window full screen and click it to open the window. Gadgets. Windows contain mini programs called gadgets, which put information on your right side desktop. For example, you can use gadgets to display a calendar. Some more. DOS, Disk Operating System, was the first widely installed operating system for personal computers. The Start button. The Start button is a place where a lot of the action takes place in Windows 7. The Start button can be found in the bottom left of your screen. Click on the Start menu button. A list of programs will appear. You can see more software by clicking All Programs above the Start menu. Above all programs, you can see the programs that you have recently used. A software can be launched by clicking an icon or folder. Some more. Have you seen the big Start button on your Windows XP computer? Well, you can enjoy the Start button of Windows 7 with a round icon. Switching off the computer. Follow the given steps to switch off the computer. Close all running programs. Click the Start button. Click on Shutdown. The following screen gets displayed on clicking Shutdown. Wait till the screen becomes blank and then switch off the monitor by pressing the power button on it. The computer has shut down. Which one is correct?
So students, you watched the video, right? Yes or no? So students, are you there and you watched the videos? I hope that the explanation will help you to understand the explanation further. So let's proceed with the chapter's explanation virtually. Okay, so I'll explain you the chapter virtually. So let's proceed the chapter's explanation virtually. Now we'll explain you. Okay, so if anybody wants,
Okay, sir.
so if anybody wants to read the chapter, Parthiv, read the chapter. Parthiv, read the chapter.
Sir,
Read the chapter. Parthiv, read the chapter.
sir, I'm not coming first time only, sir.
Huh?
I have coming now only, sir, here.
Chapter 2 you read, computer. Parthiv.
Sir, I am now only coming here.
So, Parthiv, I am going to explain the chapter. You see, okay, in this previous chapter already we have came to know about the operating system. There are various operating system we have, okay. So an operating, what is the use of the operating system? An operating system help us to operate the full computer. It is a type of a control, okay. It is a type of a control. Now, like for example, I'll say your father or mother or your you have a bike or car in your house, no? Yes or no? You have a bike or car in your house. So how does the car or bike run? With the help of petrol. Yes or no? With the help of petrol it runs. And when your father gives the accelerator, yes or no, when your father gives the accelerator, how much pressure that one will give, or how much pressure it will create, that much only speed it will go. Yes or no? So your father has the full control or mother has the full control over the vehicle. Understood? So who is operating this one? Your parents is operating. Yes, your parents is operating. So but with the help of what? With the help of brake, with the help of accelerator. Understood? So this thing only in the computer is called operating system. Understood? In computer operating system, what are the parts of the operating system? It has hardware and software. Okay, it has hardware and software. So it has system application, system software. Now application software is there. Okay, Understood? With the components of the hardware and software, do you know what is the difference between hardware and software? No. Now you can touch your mobile phone. Yes, mobile phone you can touch. That is the hardware. Software is what? Can you touch the Zoom application? Can you touch me on the camera? Can you touch? Huh? Can you touch me? No, because it is running with the help of application. Understood? It is running with the help of what? Application. So this is what? Software. This is what? Software. So there are two types of software, that is application software and system software. In system software, what will happen? It will help us to run the computer system. Understood? It will help us to run what? Computer system. Like for example, Android is there. In when you are putting on your mobile phone, if mobile is switched off, right? If your mobile is switched off, when you are doing your mobile phone on, that time you can see one Android. No, Android you can see or not? One Android means one robot type you can see. No, you can see one robot type, right? One robot type image is coming. You can see now, and that is what? That is called Android. Okay, and that is called what? Android. Now how does the this Android in here what will happen? You will see the computer has windows, and now you will looking my screen. You will be looking my screen. Okay, you see my screen now. Okay, I'll close this one. You see my screen. When you see my screen, that time you can see there are various. You can see that screen windows are there, right? There are various windows are there. I'll be closing this one. You see, this is the first side of the window, right? This is the first page. Understood? And this is called Windows. Okay. Now this is the Windows what? Desktop. Now you can see like Windows there. No, if you click here, you will get the power. If I click the shutdown, now shutdown will become. And after that, you cannot see me. Understood? You cannot see me after that. Now you understood about the desktop, how to it is also has the picture which appears on the background of the screen of the computer. It is also known as a wallpaper. Can you see my wallpaper? That one man is holding the what called tablet in there. So many photos are coming. Okay, you can see my wallpaper here. So each and every one you can, if I want, then I can set the wallpaper also new display. If I go to display setting, and here I can change my wallpaper. Okay, it has the small icons you can see. Let's explore is there. This PC control panel, recycle bin. Let's explore new folder. Video is there. Chapter 2. So many things are there on my screen, right? So and next, if you see, then take the page. Next page, you will see that one is that start menu. When you take the start menu, in their start menu, you will get all the things like you can say that whatever the applications I have installed here, you can see here Microsoft Word, Notepad is there, Zoom. With the help of this only, I'm doing the live class. No, you know, na, with the help of this only. And there are many things are there in my laptop because I'm doing editing work also of the YouTube channel. For this reason, you will see many applications. Okay. So in the Notepad plus, so many applications, so many things you can get. Next, you will see about the taskbar. Taskbar is this one. Whatever, like right now, presently, I am taking the Zoom class. No, for this reason, the Zoom class, you see, meeting is going on. Understood? Now, if I want to see you, I can see you, right? If I stop the screen here, if I press on this one, what will happen? I can immediately see you. What is you are doing? Okay. Now, notification area is this one. You see, this is the notification area. Okay. Here all the you can say virus and protection threat. Okay, turn on this one, do this, all clear all the notification I have done. Understood? This is what, suppose for example I'm saying, when someone is sending message to you, okay, you are getting one message ringtone, you will get no beep sound, will listen, no, like ting 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 something sound will come. That is called notification sound. Okay, messages you can say. Notification means a short messages will allow you to see that you may, if you want to see, then you can see and make changes. This is all about notification. Then you will say that show the desktop icon. You can see the desktop icon here, small. If I want to open this one, okay, I can open this one and see there are so many folders are there. Okay, then if I want now, you will see show the desktop, hiding desktop icons. Suppose this one, now I want to hide this one. Okay, what I will do, I'll go to the properties. I'll hide. You see, okay, hide is there, no hidden, you can see on the screen, hidden. Okay, hidden. Okay, hidden means hide this one. Okay, sharing I will go. Okay, I'll go to sharing, then this one I will hide this one. Apply changes to this folder only. Okay, I'll do. Okay, you see, not there, now cannot see, that folder is not there. If I want to see, then what I will do, I cannot see that folder. What I need to do is that undo the move. You see, came this one. You can see here all the folders which I have done, undo I have done, right? You can see. Okay, now undo will not come. Undo delete. Understood? Will not come only. If I want to hide this one, I can hide again. I will show it again to you. Click on this one. Click on this one. Do it. Then click on the right click. You do. Click on the properties. Okay. Click on the properties. Click on hidden. Then apply. You do. Okay. Then okay. Now you see, not there. Not there. No, that folder. Again, if you want to bring, then what you have to do? Redo. Undo the copy. Refresh. You do here. Okay, you do the copy. I will just try to bring it. Okay, all the hidden folders I need to bring it. Show the hidden folders. Apply changes to this folder only. Okay, now went. You see, not there. If I want to bring it, then how will bring? Then refresh I will do. Okay, then I'll go to the personalize. Understood? I'll go to the personalize, or I can also click on the Windows D. All the desktop icon, it is shown here. You see here, class 3, which one I have done hidden? No, it is here. You can see here, right? Properties, I can go. Hidden, I will just apply. Now you can see this one. Okay. So I will do the refresh here. You can see the folder. Don't do, students. You can see the folder here. Where is the folder? You can find this one here. This one is in here, right? So this is how to hiding the desktop icons. Okay, changing desktop screen. How to change the desktop screen, I'll show you. Is that go to the display setting. Okay, go to the display setting. I will make it large for you. Then display, I'll go. Okay, in here I will go. After going this one, you can change according to your own, or otherwise you can search here also. That you can search here anything you want, like for example, what called theme, I can search here. Themes and related setting, you can search here, right? You see, don't do this one, students. You can see here on the screen, whatever the display, suppose I want this one, then I can select this one. I want this one, I can select this one. Okay, which I want, I can select this one. Okay, so students, I'll be teaching up to this much only. Next day I'll teach about the gadgets. So students, your class is going to be ended. Only 1 minute is left. After that your class will become end. Till then, that take care. Thank you. Bye bye everyone.